This is the Poodle guy, and I'm going to talk about how to make a player template, and I'm going to show you how to make a player template. In Poodle, media players are based on templates, and you can create templates, you can copy templates, and you can modify templates all from the user interface. Poodle comes with a number of template presets which you can use immediately to create new players, or you can base your own original players on those templates. Users have also contributed templates to Poodle, and so you get the benefit of what the community has created. We make player templates in the site administration, plugins, filters, and then under Poodle we have templates. And in the templates page we have a list of the existing players and widgets. They're both in the same list, players and widgets. You can see the difference in the type column. Here we choose a blank template, and from the blank template we can create a new player. At the top there's a drop-down list of presets. The presets contains players and widgets. The players begin with P and the widgets begin with W. If we choose a player preset, in this case the Atom player, you can see all the settings fields fill in. You can change the template settings that you have created, and you probably want to do this for some cases. In this case we're going to change this to the Atom player 2, and we'll change the key that identifies the template to 2 also. That means that if we already have an existing Atom player, this is going to be a different one, and we could make any custom settings to it that we wish to, and they won't affect the original. Once we've made our changes, if we have to make any, we click on the Save Changes button, and that will make the changes permanent. Once we have saved our player, then it's now available to be used around the Moodle site. The Poodle players can be allocated to file extensions, MP3 or MP4 or other file extensions, from the site administration, plugins, filters, file extension settings page. This list of handlers and extensions is also available from the course and the activity administration menus. So here under MP3 player we'll see that our new player, Atom player 2, is available for selection, and we've just chosen it. Now when we save the changes, the MP3 player for the site has become the Atom player 2.